Hello everyone, welcome to the 5G standalone session by me, Arpit Srivastava. Let's quickly go to the presentation. Now here we are mapping the 4G EPC network elements with the 5G core network functions. In 4G environment we have PCRF, that is the PCF now in 5G. OCS will be the charging function, CHF. CHF will be the entity which combines account balance management function, rating function, and charging gateway function. Now, CHF will combines the functionality of OCS online charging function and CDF charging data function. Hence, the CGF will enable the online and offline charging by closely interfacing with SMF. Now, PCF and CHF interface is same as in 4G between PCRF and OCS. This complete presentation is prepared by me, so I'm just explaining what we have to learn here. Later, in the last, we can have a quick question and answer session. AMF is like just as the MME, which we had in 4G environment, and accounting function, application function, sorry, will be the same as in 4G, same will be in 5G. AUSF and UDM will be same as the HSS and AAA server. AAA stand for accounting, authentication, and authorization. User plane function UPF will be the same as the user plane of SGW and PGW of LT environment. And the SMF will be the control plane of SGW and PGW and MME. Now this is the 5G core service based architecture. In real practice, we are following the service based architecture only, but for the knowledge we should have the knowledge of reference point architecture. It was initially prepared. These are the few 5G core network function. These are just basic explanation. I will share the PPT with all you guys, so you can go through this 5G core network functions. Have a look at all the network functions. These are the basics of mapping of the PGW with SMF and all that. And for the signaling part, what we are mentioning for the diameter part, GX, GY, and SY, we are just mapping with the SBI 5G interface, N40, N7, N28, and whatever was in the diameter, CCR initiate, update, and terminate, we are giving the same reference to the 5G. What will be the same service based interface for the 5G environment? I will share the PPT. You can have the look. Now this is a mapping of 4G EPC call flow with 5G network function in terms of policy and charging service flow. So how a data session will go in from initiate in 4G environment and how it will be translated for the 5G environment. So you can have a look. This will go from data session update to throttle in allowance. Okay, so you can have like in throttling when we have the PCRF or PCF policy counter. This particular stage is when we have an in allowance, when policy counter is in -2, and when it is coming from -2 to -1, the policy counter will go from in allowance to out of allowance. So how the call flow for 5G will be, it will be mapped here as per the corresponding 4G. Now this is the communication between PCF and SMF. So you can have the look for the communication between PCF and SMF in the PPT. This is the communication between SMF and charging function, and this is between PCF and CHF. Now this is the basic high-level architecture for the 5G standalone. This is for the data session initiate. This is for the update and termination in Alliance, and when it will go from in Alliance to out of Alliance. Thank you everyone. Hope you got this session very quick and easy. So everything is mentioned in the PowerPoint slide. So in case of any questions, please reach out to me and I will reply to your questions very quickly. Thank you everyone.